Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to use Google Gemini directly inside Gmail with a few simple live demos. Gemini in Gmail can help you summarize long email threads, draft new emails, suggest replies, and even find information from previous emails. So let us see how it works step by step. First, open Gmail in your browser. Once Gmail opens, look at the top right area. If Gemini is available for your account, you will see the Gemini icon. Click the Gemini icon to open the Gemini side panel inside Gmail. Now let us start with our first live demo. Suppose I have a long email thread with several replies, and I do not want to read every message one by one. I will open the email thread. At the top of the conversation, Gmail may show the option, Summarize this email. Google officially provided this feature to quickly summarize lengthy email conversations. I will click Summarize this email. Gemini now reads the thread and gives me the important points from the conversation. This is very useful when an email thread contains many replies and I only want to know what happened, what decisions were made, and what actions are still pending. Now let us try the second demo. This time, I want Gemini to help me write an email. One important point before we continue. The Help Me Write feature in Gmail is available only on eligible Google AI or Google Workspace plans, so you may not see this option on every free Gmail account. If the feature is available in your account, click Compose. Inside the Compose window, you will see the Help Me Write option. Click on it and enter a prompt like this. Write a short, professional email to my project manager asking for an update on the current project status. Keep it polite and concise. Now, Gemini generates a complete email draft for us. We can review the draft and, if needed, ask Gemini to make it shorter, more formal, or more friendly before sending it. Now let us look at another very useful feature. Instead of manually searching through all my emails, I can ask Gemini a natural language question. For example, I can enter this prompt in the Gemini side panel. List all the invoices for workspace payment. Gemini can search across relevant email conversations and provide a concise answer based on what it finds. Google introduced this kind of inbox question answering to help users get answers without needing exact Gmail search syntax. Let us try one more example. I can ask, Show me my unread emails. Gemini can help locate the relevant information from previous emails and present the answer directly. This can save a lot of time when you have hundreds or thousands of emails in your inbox. Again, we should always review the final message before sending it, especially names, dates, numbers, and important business information. This makes Gemini in Gmail very useful for professionals who spend a lot of time reading, searching, and responding to emails. Instead of switching between different tools, we can use AI directly inside Gmail to work faster and stay more productive. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.